Elon said to me, he said, "You're going to be able to talk without words." Now, when most people say you're going to be able to talk without words, I'm like, yeah, man, that'd be wild. But when Elon says it, you're like, for real?
Yeah.
Like, you really think we're going to be able to talk without words? He's like, 100%.
What's the B side to that? Like, what is that exactly?
It's going to be something. This technology will be some sort of an implanted device that allows you to have constant access, probably to something akin to ChatGPT and AI, or the next level of it, along with some interconnectivity with other people that are wearing the same device. And it'll probably initially be something that translates languages instantaneously, and then as it advances, it will be able to read thoughts. And you'll be able to transfer images, things you see. I will be able to have this thing in my mind and show my friend Greg that I'm sitting here with The Rock having a conversation, and he could see that through my eyes.
Elon Musk's brain chip startup Neuralink says it has received approval to begin recruiting patients for its first human trial. An independent review board has given the green light for the company to seek people with paralysis to test its experimental device in a 6-year study. The study will use a robot to surgically place a brain-computer interface, or BCI, implant in a region of the brain that controls the intention to move. Neuralink says the initial goal is to enable people to control a computer cursor or keyboard using their thoughts alone. Musk has grand ambitions for this medical device company, saying it would facilitate speedy surgical insertions of its chip devices to treat conditions like obesity, autism, depression, and schizophrenia.
The first two applications we're going to aim for in humans are restoring vision, and I think this is notable in that even if someone has never had vision ever, like they were born blind, we believe we can still restore vision. And then the other application being in the motor cortex, where we would initially enable someone who has almost no ability to operate their muscles and enable them to operate their phone faster than someone who has working hands.
In May, the company said it had received clearance from the US Food and Drug Administration for its first in-human clinical trial. Its previous testing in animals is under federal scrutiny for potential animal welfare violations.
Hopefully later this year we'll do our first human device implantation, and this will be for someone that has sort of tetraplegic, quadriplegic, has lost the connection from their brain to their body, and we think we should be able to, that person will be able to communicate as fast as someone who has a fully functional body. And I mean, you can imagine, like, if, say, Stephen Hawking were alive today, what a profound change that would be. It's looking like that the first case will be later this year.
Elon Musk's brain-computer interface company just got FDA approval for its first in-human clinical study. Remember when Musk said the human trial was about 6 months away? Well, it looks like he's keeping his promise this time. But who would sign up for this groundbreaking experiment and why? Neuralink has faced accusations and investigations, but the FDA's approval paves the way. Recruitment hasn't started yet, but Neuralink is set to share more information soon.